How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So on today's video, we're going to be talking about yet another stop sell recall from Honda, this time involving the 2020 to 2024 Honda Ridgelines, in particular the tailgate harness. So there is 187,000 vehicles affected, although it's only estimated that about 3% actually have a defective part at this time, although Honda is taking a precaution and putting out a stop sell recall. So what is happening is during low temperature conditions, the articulation of the tailgate is causing the harness to break, water getting inside of there, salt corroding, eventually leading the harness to breaking, thus causing the backup camera not to work and some of the tailgate features. So obviously the backup camera is an important one because a lot of people use it to back up properly and make sure that everything is nice and safe and clear. So once that is not working, or maybe intermittently not working initially, obviously it can cause an issue to people that are accustomed to using this feature. So no parts are available at the recording of this video. Once they are available, customers will be notified via mail. And when you bring in your vehicle in for service, the open recall will be there at that time, and the technician will be able to install the part and get you back on the road safely. So that being said, I'll catch everyone on the next one.